What's up, guys? So we're here to talk about evap leaks on the Mini Cooper R53 Type S. So if you guys have ever gotten this code, you ever went to AutoZone or use your own code reader, and you've ever gotten this code P0456, it relates to an evap leak detected somewhere in the system. Now, I know a lot of you guys will say, all right, there's a couple places that you can get evap leaks, but one of the main prone places to get an evap leak is in your gas cap. And then you have to purchase a new gas cap, which is like $30 or $40 for the Mini Cooper S. Why so much? I have no idea. But I'm going to show you something that's a lot cheaper, easier than actually replacing the entire cap. It's called replacing the gasket. So I want you guys to check out, first of all, you're gonna need these little pick tools. You can pick them up at Harbor Freight for like $2. They come with four of them. You can pick them up for like $2. And this is the gasket in the gas cap. One second, let me show you where that would be. So you get your gas cap. So instead of buying a new one of these for $40 or $30, you come in here with the pick, and there's a gasket to go right around here, and that is what's leaking, not the whole cap. Most of the time, if you buy a cap, it's aftermarket anyway, and then it ends up leaking. So let me show you why it ends up leaking. You pull your old one out. It might look like it's okay on this side, but if you look at this thing, this entire gasket has been dry rotting, and this will cause a leak in your system. As simple as it is, this will cause a leak in your system. This thing is rotted out. It's no good. Luckily, I found a company, RKX, on Amazon, and they sell the exact gasket for $8. Now, $8, I get to keep my OEM cap. It's a win-win situation. This gasket is perfect. So I'm just gonna go swap this out, clear the code, and this P0456 leak will be gone, and will be another problem solved for a fraction of the price of which it would have cost you if you went into your local mechanic shop, or if you went to the BMW dealership, aka Stealership. Yeah, guys, I hope you found this video useful. Run down to Harbor Freight, pick yourself up a couple of these picks, because you cannot take this out with a screwdriver. I tried. It's very hard. These picks make it very easy, and the new one is easy to go in. Save yourself some bucks. So please like, subscribe, and continue to solve your problems without going to the dealerships or your local mechanic. You can do it right from home. Thank you, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.